It's got that rich creaminess, but really bright tartness. You get the cranberry and the lemon, which make it really bright. A lot of those classic Christmas flavors, cranberry and orange, and then the spice and the cognac, that they're very sort of Christmassy and classic flavors that remind us of home and comfort, but in a way that's super balanced, really beautiful, luxurious, sophisticated, and classic. It is definitely a cocktail that you want to bring home for the holidays. So let's go shopping. So first, we are using Remy Martin 1738 cognac. It is a little pricier cognac for using in a cocktail, but I love it. It's smooth, it's delicious, it's a little sweeter than some, and it has this really lovely kind of buttered pear note, a little spice, and I think that the flavors in this specifically really marry well with the orange and the cardamaro. And because it is kind of the main spirit of this cocktail, it really is beautiful, soft, smooth, and sippable, which really comes through in the end product and makes an absolutely phenomenal and delicious cocktail. So next, for what cocktail are we making? Okay, you're gonna use cardamaro. So this is an Italian Amaro. It's a wine base, and then it has some really lovely spice, cardamom notes, other kind of warm spice notes, some citrus notes, a little floral. Really brings some of that lovely kind of Christmas spice and depth to the cocktail. And then we've got Cointreau, orange liqueur from France. Some orange liqueurs you'll find, like Grand Marnier, they're mixed with a cognac base. This is not, so it's gonna pour clear. It's gonna be a little lighter, fresher citrus, which is really nice because it marries really well with the cognac that we're using in the cocktail, but it brings really just that bright kind of orange zest note. All right, today we're gonna make home for the holidays. I'm gonna start with a shaker. I feel like there was probably a nicer thing to put these in, but we're gonna start with some fresh cranberries. I suppose you could also use frozen. I don't know, I haven't tried that, but. And then we're gonna do like a bar spoon or so of sugar just on top of those. And then you're gonna muddle them. These, unlike other fruits, they're gonna take a little bit of muddling to really mix them with the sugar because they, it sounds violent. And you're just gonna wanna kind of break up the skins. And as they mix with the sugar, they'll kind of juice a little bit more, which is what you want. So then to those, we are gonna add 2 ounces cognac, 1 ounce cardamaro, ½ ounce Cointreau, 1 ounce fresh squeezed lemon juice, fee foam or egg white. You're gonna dry shake that. You're gonna add ice, shaking with just a large cube today. Shake. You're gonna get a coupe glass, double strain. Look at that frothy goodness. We're gonna garnish with a little lemon and cranberry skewer. And that is how you make our home for the holidays.